Hello everyone, this is Ashmita from Sourav Sir Classes. Here we are solving the JEMSCN paper of 2023 and we are focusing on 10 questions in today's video, and if you want to follow the solution of this entire question paper, then you need to follow this video series. For that you need to follow this channel, and if you are preparing for any kind of entrance exams or government job preparation, any kind you are doing, then you can just join our classes for the guidance and preparation. We provide here live lectures, recorded lectures, portal access, dark clearing sessions, and mock test facilities. Do check the description box for more details. Coming to the question, it's question number 11 that we are starting off with. In win-win approach, what can we see? In win-win approach, we see that both parties look for a solution. All right. So basically, what is this win-win approach? Now, in win-win approach, in win-win approach is basically in conflict resolution. It involves like both the parties working together to find a mutually beneficial solution, like that will benefit like both the parties at once. Okay, considering each other's needs and interest, this solution is taken into consideration. Second question, that is question number 12. Bacterial structure involved in respiration is. Now this would be mesosome. Alright. Now mesosomes are infoldings of the bacterial cell. Okay. Cell membrane that we have. Now as I was saying, mesosomes are infoldings of the bacterial cell membrane that are involved in cellular processes like respiration or like increasing the surface area for enzymatic activities associated with energy production and all. So yeah, these are the things. Next is number 13. Toxic shock syndrome is caused by the toxin of what? It would be Staphylococcus aureus. Now, toxic shock syndrome is caused by toxins which are produced by the bacteria Staphylococcus, Staphylococcus aureus. Specifically, if we just name it, it's the toxic shock syndrome toxin 1. That is what we call the TSST1. All right. Coming to the next question. A fungal infection is among these athlete's foot. Now, athlete's foot is also known as tinea pedis, and this is a fungal infection of the skin on the feet. Okay. Next, we have question number 15. When food materials are preserved at a temperature just above freezing temperature, then the process is called what? The process is called chilling. So C is your correct answer. So what is this process of chilling? Basically, chilling is the process of preserving food at temperatures just above the freezing point to slow down the bacterial growth and prolong the shelf life. Okay. Next. Most commonly affected valve in rheumatoid heart disease is mitral valve. Now, rheumatic heart disease most commonly affects the mitral valve, as I have marked over here, leading to mitral stenosis or regurgitation due to inflammation or scarring and all. Okay. Next question. See, Sheehan's syndrome is related to what? It is related to postpartum pituitary necrosis. Now, postpartum pituitary necrosis, it is related to a condition which is caused by severe blood loss during or after childbirth, leading to the death of pituitary gland cells. Okay. Next question. Highest incidence of ectopic pregnancy is in, it would be in ampulla. Now, the ampulla of the fallopian tube is the most common site for the ectopic pregnancies, and it accounts for about 70 to 80% of all ectopic pregnancies due to its wide lumen and slower passage of the fertilized egg. Okay. So ampulla would be the correct answer. Next, which term represents a pair of contrasting characters? This would be allelomorphs. Now, allelomorphs, they are commonly known as alleles and are pairs of genes which are located at the same position on the homologous chromosomes that control the contrasting characteristics. Like, for example, if we take the example of pea plants in a garden, the gene for flower color may have two allelomorphs, okay? One for the purple flowers and one for the white flowers. Next, a teratogenic action is what? A teratogenic action is negative action on the fetus causing fetal malformation. Now, teratogenic effects refer to the impact on a developing fetus that can lead to birth defects or malformations. Um, so, this teratogens can include certain drugs, chemicals, or infections that disrupt the normal fetal development. Okay, so we are going to keep it till here today in this video. If you want to follow the video series, as I have mentioned, do check the description box and um, also follow the channel for like looking at the solutions of these question papers. And if you are thinking of preparing your studies with us for your exams, then you can just join our classes. Thank you for being with me till the end.